Traceability is an important component of a food manufacturing quality and safety program. A food manufacturing traceability system records and tracks food products and their ingredients throughout the entire supply chain, from sourcing raw materials to production, distribution, and the final consumer. These systems use unique identifiers and digital records to create a detailed history for every product, enabling accountability and transparency. Traceability is crucial for ensuring product quality, safety, and compliance with regulations, as well as for efficient recall management and building trust with consumers. According to the Codex Alimentarius Commission, traceability is the ability to follow the movement of a food through specified stages of production, processing, and distribution. The European Union food law defines it as the ability to trace and follow a food, feed, food-producing animal or substance through all stages of production and distribution. The functional roles of a traceability system are: identify the origins of food, ingredients, and food sources. Control food hazards by knowing where products have been and have gone. Provide reliable product information by knowing what it contains and when and where it came from. And guarantee product authenticity by validating the product and its components are genuine and not counterfeit. A traceability system is designed to track the flow of a product or product attributes through the production process and/or supply chain. The system must start at the point of origin, like a farm, fishery, or field, through the primary distribution chain and processors, before making it to the retailer and finally the end customer. As it moves through this route, there are tagging and sensing, navigating and communication, locating, digital footprints, and reading recognition components that are utilized in tracking and safeguarding raw ingredients and finished products. Traceability is typically classified as external and internal traceability. External traceability tracks a product's movement between different companies or entities within the supply chain, from when it leaves one organization's control to when it reaches its final destination or consumer. Internal traceability is the system of tracking and documenting the path of a product or component through every stage of its processing and storage within a single organization, such as a manufacturing facility or plant. Traceability must take place in all venues of the food vending process. These can be classified as: supplier traceability, used to track a food product's journey from its original source. Production site traceability requires knowing which raw ingredient lots are put into specific finished good batches. Internal product traceability involves tracking raw ingredient and finished product inventories while within the organization. Distribution center traceability is part of external traceability, where the manufacturer must know where its product were sent after leaving the facility. And retailer traceability is the final step to the traceability system before it reaches and/or is consumed by the customer. Effective traceability links the physical flow of products with the digital flow of information. The process involves capturing key data at critical tracking events in the supply chain. Here is how food traceability systems work. Unique product identification, captured at intake, where raw materials and other inputs are assigned unique codes, such as a batch or lot number, a barcode, or a radio frequency identification, or RFID tag. Information logging must be done throughout the manufacturing process, where software and manual entries log crucial data points, including: receiving logs detail when and from whom raw materials were received. Production logs identifies which raw material lots were used to make which finished product batches. Processing data includes quality control measures, additives used, and temperature monitoring for perishable goods. And mass balance are used to audit the system to account for the total weight or volume of inputs versus outputs, including any waste. An effective traceability program includes both forward and backward tracking. Backward traceability is tracing a finished product back to its raw material source and supplier. It allows for root cause analysis of problems, verification of compliance, prevention of scope creep by ensuring all features align with original needs, and enables efficient product recalls. Forward traceability is tracing a finished product from the factory to the distributors, retailers, or food service providers. This method ensures that all materials and their associated data are accounted for and can be used to verify that every requirement has been met, facilitate efficient recalls by identifying affected products, and build consumer trust through transparency. A traceability system aids an organization in achieving its continuous improvement goals. Some benefits include: ensures food safety. Traceability enables rapid identification of the source of contamination during an outbreak, protecting public health and helping businesses isolate the problem. Faster, targeted recalls. Instead of recalling an entire product line, manufacturers can pinpoint and remove only the affected batch, limiting the scope and financial impact. Improves supply chain efficiency. Offers real-time visibility into inventory levels, reduces waste from spoilage or overstocking, and helps optimize logistics. Builds consumer trust. Enhances brand reputation by demonstrating a commitment to safety and transparency. Consumers can often use a QR code to see a product's origin. Ensures regulatory compliance. Helps manufacturers meet strict government regulations, such as the U.S. FDA's Food Safety Modernization Act or FSMA's final rule on food traceability. Deters food fraud. Protects a brand from counterfeit goods or the substitution of cheaper ingredients by providing a verifiable record of a product's journey. There are several challenges in effectively deploying a traceability system. Some challenges and potential solutions include: data complexity. Using centralized, electronic data management systems instead of paper logs to handle the large volume of data from critical tracking events. Cost. Choosing a scalable, modular system that meets your budget. Small and medium-sized businesses can start with simpler systems and expand as needed. Fragmented supply chain. Focusing on systems that promote data interoperability. For instance, using GS1 global standards for barcodes ensures consistent tracking across different companies. Manual data entry errors. Automating data capture with technologies like barcode scanners, RFID tags, and IoT sensors to reduce human error and increase speed. And lastly, lack of training. Educating all employees on proper data collection procedures. Most modern software features intuitive, user-friendly interfaces to ease adoption. Data management. All collected data is stored digitally, often in a centralized, cloud-based platform for easy access. Modern systems automate data collection using scanners and sensors to minimize human error. Technology advances can aid in implementing a traceability system. Some examples are: barcode and QR code scanning is a cost-effective and widely used method. A unique code is added to each product or batch, which is scanned at different points along the supply chain to log its journey. Radio frequency identification is more reliable than barcodes, as RFID tags automatically transmit data via radio waves to a scanner, providing real-time tracking of high-value products without manual scanning. Internet of Things, or IoT, utilizes devices and sensors to monitor conditions like temperature and humidity in real time, which is crucial for the safety and quality of perishable goods. Blockchain uses a decentralized, tamper-proof digital ledger that provides a secure, transparent record of every transaction in the supply chain. While still complex and expensive, it offers an exceptionally high level of data integrity. In Food Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, traceability software. ERPs are designed for the food industry. They automate data collection and centralize records for easy reporting, recalls, and audits. In the food industry, full system traceability is crucial to minimize risk. We hope you found this training valuable. Please click the subscribe button so you can access additional Food Sure training videos.